Hello, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. My name is Lyle. Today I wanted to show you this Cruiser 230. This is a brand new 2026 model from Harris. You've got this one in black with a silver accent, stripped with the gray interior. Come on, let's go upstairs and check it out. Welcome aboard the beautiful 230 Cruiser. This model, to match the gray accent on the outside, we've got this with the gray interior. This one is also rigged with the 200 V6 Mercury. Also has the fold down swim step and the lily pad stairs. The SL layout has this cool feature so you can swing the backrest forward so you can sit facing backwards, or you can lay it all the way flat. And as always, storage under all of these. Deeper into the cockpit, you do have armrests at the side of the chaise lounges. And we've got the flip up table. That's a pretty cool feature. Let me show you how that works. Boom. Now you have a table, making sandwiches, having fun. Over here at the helm, we've got wet sound stereo. Simrad is handling all of the gauges and navigation duties. And up front, with the Lux interior, we've got the armrests. We've got USB ports at the cup holder stations, storage underneath all of the seats in here. This is an awesome boat. You're missing out if you don't come see us here at MarineMax Dallas.